Well, day. My people. Do you hear what this girl did? In this world today, nobody is afraid. In this world today, people, even women that give birth, you don't remember that these children that the women give birth to, these children, a mother is standing waiting for a child to be successful. A father is there waiting for a child to be successful so that you will eat the fruit of your labor. When you buy someone, you have buy the parents. You don't buy mama, you don't buy papa. You don't buy the assemblies. This lady say this man left her. This is her ex. Left her. And because of that, she carry poison put for the food. Not only that man now, but how many people have to go just because of one man's mistake? I will not even call it mistake. Why is friendship? Can't you decide and say you don't want this friendship again? Please hold your ears. I'm telling you, both men and women, know the kind of friends you keep. Because I can really say that this girl is a bad friend. This lady is a bad friend. I don't want to know what's transpired between her and this guy. But what am I telling you? She is a bad person. What am I telling you? That she buys these people. How many people did she buy just because of one person? Before you eat, know where you eat, know how you eat. Another time that people will enjoy themselves, eat and drink as they like, has come. Because you will see that people will say it's Jesus' birthday. There will be the one celebrating that birthday for Jesus. On that day, na dem go kill cow, na dem go kill goat, na dem go kill turkey, na dem go kill fowl. They chop everything inside mouth. After, na dem go drink. Na dem go also take any kind of stuff. When the person climb motor, you will not know where he's driving to. Remember, there is big covert everywhere. When you make mistake while driving, you can buy yourself, buy anyone around you. This lady just wasted the parents of this boy. I don't know how they will feel, but I just want to say so sorry. Hey, it's a sad news. Black nights, black day. This is an evil day. A day that everyone, bad day. A day that no one wants to see or hear about this day. You buy these people for nothing's sake. You buy them for simple, in fact, for waiting no get head. Before I go speak the one I don't know. Chai, it is well. Please, my people, I don't know, but I need to go. I need to lie down and think about this. What do you think? Do you think what this lady did is good? This lady buy her ex and all the people that all have her ex friends just because the ex left her. Do you think what she did is right? Do you think that guy have done something terrible to her that made her to do this? Please write it on the comment section. God bless you.